In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. So if you would like to see how I got this jumbo, curly, box braids look in the color blonde, continue to watch.
Go crown, crown, crown. I never bow down. I sip my tea in my business. I sip my tea in my business. I'm a queen, queen, and I am meant to be free. I'm a queen, queen, and I am meant to be free. I sip my tea in my business. I sip my tea in my business. You's a queen.
It is Seraph and welcome back to Styling by Seraph. I appreciate you being here with me right now. If you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button. I want to see you over and over and over again. And if you want to see me, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. These earrings are made by me. They will be available on Serative.com very soon, so be on the lookout for that. Be sure to like this video if you like my hair. Stretch my hair with an Afro pick, section my hair off with this comb. It's a rat tail comb. I'm going to be using oil. This is just black castor oil with rosemary oil. I don't have like coconut oil or anything, so this is what I'm just going to use. Because I don't want to use too much of the next thing, which is conditioner, because my hair will just shrink up. I just want to use like the tiniest bit. And then some edge control. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This side smaller than the other side, but this is some big amount of hair. doesn't have to be exactly the same length, but to a certain point. And then I'm just going to close the ends. I'm double knotting it twice. And I'm gonna do this all over. Braided up already, it will be braided. Those curls by yes, girl. Trim any of the hanging hairs. Alright, so that was how I achieved this hairstyle, guys. Let me know what you think. If you like my hair, hit the like button. Hit the like button if you like my hair. If you have anything that comes to mind, please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm basically going to show you guys whenever I do my hair, but I would love to hear like feedback from you guys about like the hairstyles or just what you want to see, like natural hair videos or anything. Yeah, be sure to like this video if you like my hair. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. And I think that's it. Guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you.
You's a queen, and you are meant to be free. You's a queen, and you are meant to be free. You should sip your tea and mind your business. Sip your tea and mind your business.